Did you know there's a natural remedy that can transform your health? It fights inflammation, protects your cells, and even supports your brain health. Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today, we're diving into the incredible benefits of the world's most powerful remedy, turmeric. This bright yellow spice, a staple in Indian cuisine, has been used for centuries in traditional medicine, and for good reason. Make sure to hit that subscribe button and ring the bell for more health tips and remedies. Let's talk about inflammation. Inflammation is a natural process your body uses to protect itself. But when it becomes chronic, it can start damaging your body, leading to a host of health problems. Turmeric contains a powerful compound called curcumin, a potent anti-inflammatory. It works by blocking a specific molecule that triggers inflammation, helping to reduce chronic inflammation and protect your body. We can't talk about turmeric without mentioning its antioxidant properties. Free radicals from pollution, processed foods, and stress damage our cells, leading to aging and disease. Antioxidants in turmeric can neutralize these harmful free radicals. Think of antioxidants like bodyguards for your cells, protecting them from damage and keeping you healthy. Wouldn't it be amazing to live a longer, healthier life? Incorporating turmeric into your diet might be the key. By protecting cells, reducing inflammation, and boosting overall health, turmeric could be your secret weapon for a longer, more vibrant life. Chapter 4. Decreases inflammation in the brain. Your brain, like your body, can be affected by inflammation. This can lead to brain fog, memory problems, and increased neurodegenerative disease risk. Curcumin, the active compound in turmeric, can cross the blood-brain barrier. It can reach your brain and reduce inflammation, protecting this vital organ. Chapter 5. Helps with neurodegeneration. As we age, our brains change, leading to cognitive decline. Turmeric shows promise in slowing neurodegeneration. Research suggests curcumin's anti-inflammatory and antioxidant effects may protect brain cells and slow these diseases. Chapter 6. Increases the growth and survival of neurons. Our brains constantly change and adapt, forming new connections throughout our lives. This process, called neuroplasticity, is crucial for learning, memory, and cognitive function. Studies indicate turmeric may promote the growth and survival of neurons, essential brain cells. This means turmeric could enhance neuroplasticity, keeping your brain sharp and adaptable. Chapter 7. Can inhibit beta-amyloid plaquing. A hallmark of Alzheimer's is amyloid plaques in the brain. These plaques disrupt communication between brain cells, causing cognitive decline. Research suggests curcumin may help inhibit these harmful plaques. Chapter 8. Protects the endothelial layer of the arteries. The endothelium is a thin layer of cells lining your blood vessels, crucial for regulating blood pressure and preventing clots. Turmeric, with its potent anti-inflammatory properties, helps protect this delicate endothelial layer from damage. By keeping your endothelium healthy, turmeric supports overall cardiovascular health. Protects against oxidative LDL. When LDL cholesterol oxidizes, it can contribute to plaque buildup in arteries, increasing heart disease risk. Turmeric acts as a powerful antioxidant, helping protect LDL cholesterol from oxidizing. This protective effect can positively impact your heart health. Your liver is a powerhouse organ responsible for filtering toxins from your blood, producing bile for digestion, and more. Turmeric can benefit your liver health. Studies suggest turmeric may protect against fatty liver disease and reduce liver inflammation. Maintaining stable blood sugar levels is crucial for overall health, especially if you have diabetes or are at risk of developing it. Incorporating turmeric into your diet may help stabilize blood sugar levels. Research suggests turmeric can improve insulin sensitivity, helping cells use glucose more effectively and preventing dramatic spikes and crashes. Have you ever gotten a cut or scrape and wished it would heal faster? Turmeric might just be your new best friend. Its anti-inflammatory and antimicrobial properties create an optimal environment for healing. Turmeric helps reduce inflammation, fight infection, and speed up healing, getting you back on your feet faster. In a world filled with bacteria and viruses, it's crucial to support our immune systems. Curcumin, the active compound in turmeric, has been shown to inhibit the growth of certain bacteria, viruses, and fungi. This makes turmeric a valuable ally in supporting your immune system and keeping you healthy. Did you know that your gut health is intricately connected to your overall health? A healthy gut is home to trillions of bacteria that play a crucial role in digestion, immunity, and mood. Turmeric helps to reduce inflammation in the gut, support the growth of beneficial bacteria, and improve gut barrier function, keeping good bacteria in and harmful substances out. Our eyes are precious, and we need to protect them as we age. The good news is turmeric contains antioxidants that support eye health. Studies suggest turmeric may help protect against age-related eye conditions, keeping vision sharp and clear. Do you struggle with digestive discomfort? Turmeric might be able to help. Turmeric's potent anti-inflammatory properties can soothe the gut, reduce bloating, and promote healing of ulcers. Incorporating turmeric into your diet may provide relief from these digestive issues. For those who suffer from allergies, springtime can be a nightmare of sneezing, itching, and watery eyes. Turmeric can help tame those allergic reactions. Its anti-inflammatory properties can help calm the immune system's response, reducing those bothersome allergy symptoms effectively. Our skin is our largest organ and reflects our inner health. Turmeric's anti-inflammatory and antioxidant properties benefit skin health. Studies show turmeric reduces inflammation, redness, and itching associated with these conditions, promoting clear and healthy skin. We live in a world where heavy metals lurk in our environment and food supply. Turmeric acts as a natural detoxifier, binding to heavy metals and helping remove them from your body. This process supports your overall health and well-being. You might wonder, how can I incorporate this wonder spice into my life? Add turmeric to your diet by using it in cooking, smoothies, or golden milk. For a therapeutic dose, take a turmeric supplement. Look for a high-quality supplement with black pepper extract or piperine to enhance absorption. Always consult your doctor or a healthcare professional before making any changes to your diet or starting new supplements. So, there you have it, the incredible benefits of turmeric. From fighting inflammation to supporting your brain and heart health, this spice is truly a powerhouse. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and share it. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.